Children, now we'll see about Major Dhyan Chand. See, Major Dhyan Chand, this name is very famous. It is related to hockey, no? Major Dhyan Chand, an expert player of hockey, was also the captain of Indian hockey team. Indian hockey team won gold medal in 1936 at Berlin Olympic under his captaincy. He was also part of previous Indian hockey teams in 1928 and 1932, which played at Olympics and won gold medals. 29 August, the birth date of Dhyan Chand, is celebrated National Sports Day in India. He was also known as Wizard of Hockey. He was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1956. You know, children, Major Dhyan Chand was also liked by Hitler. He was great admirer of Major Dhyan Chand. So, Major Dhyan Chand, he was expert player of hockey and he won gold medal in 1936 the Berlin Olympic under his captaincy. So, he was very, you can say, he was very famous player during that time and he was loved by everybody all over the world. And he was also known as Wizard of Hockey. He was honored with Padma Bhushan. So, these were the achievements of Major Dhyan Chand. You must learn about him and uh, this is also there in textbook, you can read it. Now we'll see why globalization of sports and what is globalization of sports is important. The field of sports in 21st century was naturally influenced by the process of globalization. Children, you know globalization. Due to globalization of we can say globalization of economy, globalization of trade, everything, when this globalization happened, not only in economic sector, not only in political or social sector, but also globalization was also influenced, it was sports sector was also influenced by this globalization. So it is very important that this globalization of sports, how it affect the on sports also. So the field of sports in 21st century was naturally influenced by the process of globalization. So during 20 and 21st century, when all over the world the economy was going through globalization, when the give and take policy was there, when the people, when the country, they were having trading relation with other countries, when the various economic organizations were formed. So naturally, the countries, those who were involved in globalization, those countries, those who were having the good trade relation, they were having economic forums also. So this sports sector was also globalized. The international matches of various sports like cricket, football, lawn tennis can be watched on television in any corner of the world. The citizen of the non-participant countries can also enjoy these matches. So, with the telecast of various international sports, we can sit at home and we can watch so many international sports going on aired in television. So, this is very important, that how globalization of sports, how the sports, international sports was spread with the help of communication, with the help of mass media. So, international matches of various sports like cricket, football, lawn tennis, we can watch on television. So, and people all over the world, they are very much interested in all this international sports, isn't it? The citizen of non-participant countries, those countries, those who were not participating in any type of sports, international sports, they can also enjoy, isn't it? So, globalization of sports is very important. For instance, the World Cup winning match played by Indian cricketer was watched by cricket fans all over the world, 1982. Sports fans scattered all over the world have significantly affected the entire uh, structure of sports economy. So, it is very important the sports fans scattered, because maximum people all over the world, they are very much interested in sport, various types of sports. You know better than me that football match, when the World Cup is telecast, the people all over the world, they just watch like madly. मतलब चाहे रात में, कितने भी रात में मैच हो, चाहे कैसे, मतलब कोई भी कंडीशन हो, लेकिन दुनिया भर के लोग, जो वर्ल्ड फुटबॉल कप जो होता है, जब फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड कप होता है, तो कैसे देखते हैं, बाप रे, उसके लिए कैसे लोग इतने मतलब उसके इतना फ़ैन फॉलोइंग होता है, इतने फ़ैन होते हैं वो स्पेशली फुटबॉल के लिए. And you know better than me that World Cup means what is the importance of this World Cup. So globalization of sports, it is also entire structure of sports economy. It significantly affected the entire structure of sports economy. Fans watch the matches for entertainment. Industrial and commercial companies took at it good opportunity to advertise the wear. You know, so many advertisements are there. During any type of international matches, we can see various advertisements. Commercial companies, they also sponsor. This is the mainly about sponsorship. So, this they sponsor the various sports. Retired sportsmen also have an opportunity to participate as commentators. You know that now senior cricketers, they are into commentary. So, they can also participate. So, due to this globalization of sports, so many things, so many people, they are getting opportunity to to work or to involve in this sports economy. Understood?